Nope.
Stop nibbling. Ow! 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 Ow!
Push-ups? No. It's chew-ups now. Who's more dedicated to their workout?
Ow!
Sometimes leg day hits differently in your dreams, guys. Doggo's logic. If it doesn't have a bite mark, is it even mine? Is this puppy's sound the new ASMR? I highly doubt it's relaxing.
Can I have a snack? No.
Breakfast in bed? Nah, just breakfast in bowl. Chop chop, lollipop.
How do I play this game?
You have to catch it.
Okay, I'll catch it. All right. Okay, I'll do it. Okay.
That was
I'm ready for the game. What does catch mean?
This little guy has big dreams of becoming a shoemaker. Just don't ask him to sew.
I understand nothing.
The only kind of strong attachment I want in my life. Squeaky clean and fresh. Who knew bath time was also concert hour? Boredom level, expert. If he can't have fun, the hose will. Training for the Leaf Blower World Championships. Ready, set, chew! Trying to figure out if the food bowl is broken. No kibble inside, human.
Oh my god! What is that?
I bet his feet have their own TikTok account. Somebody, call the water police. This tastes weird.
And I work like a dog day and night.
A German Shepherd dog.
What are you?
A German Shepherd dog.
Pick your plushie. This could be the sweetest slumber party ever. When you dig for gold and only find water. Now, your face is officially the new flavor of the month.
Right, let's see those pearly white.
Me waiting for my pizza delivery like,
Then the Amazon.
hey human, want to go for a walk? Training for the puppy league, board skills 10%, cuteness level 90%. Looks like someone's got a minor understanding of working on yourself.
Okay, so if there's 2 squirrels per tree, there might be more. And there's 50,000 trees.
Counting sheet? Nah. Now he counts squirrels. Take some notes.
20 squirrels. 100,000 minus 20 is 99,980 squirrels.
Life's too short to worry about dirty paws, isn't it? When you finally try to be friends with yourself. Hi! Me when everything goes according to plan. Updating to Puppy 2.0. Dream mode activated. Please wait.
You think you can just tilt your head like that and it's gonna convince me to give you whatever you want? Well, you're absolutely right. What do you want? Do you want treats? Do you want my soul? Do you want my undying loyalty? I'll give you anything.
Is this puppy smarter than a 5th grader? Not sure, but she's definitely cuter. Puppy love at first sight. Swipe right on yourself. This shepherd pup is like, stop it, human. I said no affection before coffee. Me trying to finish all my daily tasks at once. Bet that no bond is stronger than a dad and the dog he didn't want. This is teamwork. Watch and learn.
I have a very important question to ask. Are you gonna let me have a nap? Is that a yes or is that a no? Okay, because it's a no.
When someone says they don't like dogs and you're like, introducing the legendary doorstop. It's just not a prop, it's a lifestyle. They are stealing my heart. I think I may need to go on one of them.
Oh, look at the little baby.
Hi, everybody. Thank you for being my followers. I love you.
Tag a friend who's as curious as this puppy.
Hey! Hey!
This is what happens when you give a puppy a confidence boost. If these German Shepherd puppies made you smile, be sure to like and subscribe for more adorable moments. Until next time.